Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Alexis. So today I'm going to teach you how to get sand out of your washer and your dryer. Over the weekend, me and a couple others went swimming, and we went to the river. So when you go in the river, you don't want to go barefoot, because when you do, it's nasty and there's stuff under your feet and it's sand, and I don't like it. So I wear what we call 5 fingers. They're like river shoes, rock climbing shoes. So I decided I was going to wash them, and I went to go wash another load of clothes today, and there's sand all over my washer and in my clothes and in my dryer. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you'll need is to get your vacuum cleaner or a dust buster, one of the two, doesn't matter which one, and just take your attachment that I'm using and just go around your washer, just sucking up the sand. So when I did the dryer, I used a flashlight because I couldn't really see in there, but just make sure that you do it like you do the washer, and you use the flashlight as, you know, a guide to see where all the sand is and everything. Also, make sure to take your lint catcher out and make sure that you get the sand out of the catcher and also down into the vent as well. Alrighty, so after I showed you guys how to clean your washer and your dryer, I did a load of clothing. I don't have any more sand, so it does work, but make sure that when you actually do your, cleaning your washer, that it's completely dry, because you will blow up your vacuum cleaner and you don't want that. And also, if you're actually having trouble with your washer and your dryer, do not take this as a professional from a professional, because I am not a professional, and also contact a professional. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.